lovelies. I'm coming at you guys with a grocery haul video. So I'm super excited about this because it was requested by my sister. So we're gonna get right into it. But if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. But all right, let's get into this video, you guys. So my first grocery store that I went to is Sprouts. They had a sale on eggplants. So I got one eggplant, it was $1. Now typically I don't actually get strawberries, but they had a sale on strawberries and I've been eating them with my waffle. I usually get organic, however I didn't see any organic ones today. So these are regular ones, and these are actually not technically Dr. Sebi approved unless you buy organic, but organic in America is very dicey. So there's only certain things that I have to buy organic. But yeah, these were on sale for like, I think $2 or $2.50. So I wasn't about to pass that up. Then I got one mango because this also was on sale and it is fully ripe, so I could eat this for breakfast. So then I have this obsession with kombucha. So I got this pineapple peach flavor. Right now, I'll show you guys my fridge after I pack everything up. But yeah, that'll be my first time trying that one. That also was on sale. And then one of my favorite ever tropical fruits is rambutan. So I got 3 of them. And they're expensive, so I literally just get them just for the taste because it's 3 for $1. That's pricey. Then I got these chips. I usually get Siete. It's the name brand of the grain-free tortilla chips that I get. But I actually seen this one above Siete, which is Late July. And it's also a no-grain tortilla chip, so it's made with cassava flour instead of corn flour. I'm gonna try this one. I actually just finished my Siete bag, so I'm gonna see the difference, but the price is major. This is $2.99 and this is $4.99, so it's like double the price. And it comes with 0.5 ounces less than this one, so I'm hoping that this one tastes just like this one. The ingredients are fairly similar as well, so I can't really see all of them because I cut the bag, but they're fairly similar, and they're vegan and kosher. There's no high fructose corn syrup and 0 grams of trans fat. So we're gonna give this a try and see if they be breaking my budget. Then I got some organic coconut shredded, organic coconut shreds. I use this for a lot of things, for acai bowls, for my porridge. Sometimes I just eat it out the bag. Like I love coconut. Then I got some grapes. I only buy grapes that have seeds in them. So these are some organic, are these right? What do they call them? Is there a fancy name? Okay, so there's no fancy name. These are just some organic red grapes because they have the seeds in them. So I don't buy any seedless fruits at all. Then for my water, I always put 2 key limes in my gallons of water. So I just got a bag of key limes. Now my next store is Trader Joe's. If you don't know anything about me, just know Trader Joe's is my life. It's my favorite ever store because I love eating. But they have these tostones. This is new. They did not have this before, and I tried them in Trader Joe's, and although they are not as good as my own tostones, they are still like quick if I ever have the taste in my mouth, because finding plantains out here where I live is like OD kind of expensive. Like I'm used to paying like 33 cents for a plantain, and like here it'd be like $1 something, and I'd be like, I'm not about to pay that. So usually why I get plantains is to make tostones. So I just got this for like a random day when I just have the craving. But I don't believe that plantains are actually Dr. Sebi approved or alkaline, but that's just one thing I'm not giving up, so I still eat it. Then I get some shredded kale. I love this one. So this is the organic green kale from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna show you what I usually get. In the past, I've always gotten these 2 from Trader Joe's. This is the Tuscan kale, and this is this regular kale from them. I don't even think this one's organic, but this one is. But once I had this kale, I was like completely sold. They taste like completely different. This one to me is a lot softer. It kind of has more of a texture of collard greens depending on how you cook it. So I like the way this one cooks down more. And I also prefer this one for my salads because it's not as coarse. as the other ones are. Then I just got 4 bananas. Again, usually I don't eat regular bananas, but my Mexican grocery store that I used to always go to get my burro bananas, I don't have that luxury anymore. So I just got these for when I have the taste for bananas. I normally don't eat these bananas, but you know, sometimes you need what you need, okay? Then this is one thing that I have to get organic. I have to get organic avocados from Trader Joe's. They taste completely different to me than when I don't buy organic avocados. Like, don't get me wrong, I love avocados either way, but the organic ones to me are just so much butterier. That's not a word, but you know what I mean. They just, I just prefer the organic ones, so whatever. Then I got some pears and I got some organic gala apples. So both of these are organic as well. So honestly, and my bananas are organic as well. Pretty much all the fruits that I got so far are organic except for my mango. My mango is not organic. This, I'm sorry, is my weakness. Corn products are literally the root cause of everything wrong with the human body. But I don't know why I cannot, like, my addiction to popcorn, I'm the person who used to have the box of the popcorn that you could pop, and I would eat popcorn if not every night, like at least every other night. I love popcorn. So I told myself not to get it, but I got it anyways because I love popcorn. So I get the olive oil one from Trader Joe's and I love it. Then I get organic cherry tomatoes. I get the mixed medley. Then I have a bag of Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. And I'll be having a video on how I make crispy Brussels sprouts with Parmesan. It's not really Parmesan cheese, but vegan Parmesan cheese. But it's not vegan cheese. I don't eat vegan cheese because most of it has soy, but just watch the video, okay? They're good. Then I got some scallion or green onions because I use this, my wild rice, or when I make like curry, I use this. I have to have my dates. These are like my pick-me-up snack, or when I want to fake or trick myself to thinking I'm eating chocolate, I'll just eat some dates. I usually eat like 4 to 5 dates a day. Then I get my organic crimini mushrooms. I use mushrooms for a lot, and this is one of my protein sources. Then I like to get carrots. So I don't think these are organic, but these are baby carrots, and I like to eat these with hummus as a snack, so I got that. And then last, I got this lentil soup. This is, I like to keep one in the fridge just for the days that I don't feel like actually like cooking anything. I could just heat one of these up on the stove. And what I usually do is I add kale into this so that I can make it like 2 to 3 servings instead of 1, because I can eat this whole thing by myself. Like, I mean, not that that's bad. Let's see. It's only 400 calories to eat this whole thing. So it's not bad to consume the whole thing, but I try to stretch it out and add stuff to it. So I've also added chickpea pasta in this before. I didn't prefer it because chickpea pasta to me has its own taste. So I like lentil pasta and kale, and this is a whole vibe. So now I'm gonna show you my refrigerator. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so just a mini recap. This is everything. And at Trader Joe's, I spent a total of $45, and at Sprouts, I spent $20. So in total, this is $65 worth of groceries. Now, for somebody that's gonna be like, whoa, that's so much. Like, I get it, that is a lot. However, it's how you make meals to stretch it out, because for me, I'm a very frugal person, but when it comes to my health, there's just certain things that I'm not gonna like skimp out on. And until I find a Mexican grocery store like back where I used to live, it's gonna be a little bit rough as far as prices go. But there's certain things I'm not skipping out on. Like when it comes to fruits, I need seeds in my fruits, and yeah, I can't with the hybrid fruits. And then like even things like key limes and stuff like that, it's not really easy to find unless you're going to like Mexican grocers that have all these things, which I love Mexican grocery stores. So I'm gonna find one, that's the mission. But for right now, this is what a normal grocery haul would look like for me. I'm gonna put everything up and then I'm gonna show you the refrigerator. All right, so on my top shelf, I have an onion, garlic. I love Kalamata olives, so I never run out of that. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, balsamic, another balsamic, tahini, tahini in the back. This is strawberry jam. I don't really know why I bought that. Sun-dried tomatoes. I have apple cider vinegar. This one I use for my body. This one is for eating. This is Trader Joe's and this is Bragg's brand. In the back I have kombuchas. So this is the one I just got. I have a Synergy mango. I have some maple syrup, coconut water. I love coconut water. So I just regular coconut water. Regular coconut water with pulp, and this coconut water is with mango. Down here is where I have like my grainy type stuff. So my coconut, turmeric in the back, nutritional yeast, amaranth, flaxseed, walnuts, spelt flour, organic brown sugar. Down here is usually where I keep my fruit. So I have my apples down here, my pears, my key limes, my mangoes. Next drawer will be like veggies. So all the veggies that I showed you. And in the back I just have some parsley and a cucumber. Then in this is like usually like my snack fruits, like ones I just, you know, grab for a bowl. So I have my tomatoes, my grapes, strawberries, carrots, avocados, because I like to eat those. In this pot, I have some kale and chickpeas, but usually this shelf is just filled with just Crystal Geyser water, unless I have leftovers, like a lot of leftovers, then I use this pot. My dates, bananas, rambutans, my soup, water, my kale. I love hummus. I usually have like at least 3 hummuses, but I finished them. So I obviously don't need to get hummus because I have them right there. Eggplant, this is a green plantain. Water for the gym. This is my porridge for the morning. And I typically have a lot of coconut milks because I use coconut milk for a lot of things. And then usually I'll have another water back there. It's currently on my counter. Then there's the avocados. I have another mango that I'm waiting to ripe. Onions and sweet potatoes. I don't really buy a lot of freezer stuff just because I don't really eat a lot of processed stuff. But I will sometimes freeze my kale to go back and use. I have some falafel. This is definitely not alkaline, but I have it for rainy days when I just don't feel like cooking. I have some Asian vegetables. That's also from Trader Joe's. Again, none of that stuff is alkaline, but I just have it for company purposes. As far as sweet potato fries go from Trader Joe's, I don't personally eat them anymore because it has soy in it and I'm allergic and soy is not good for you. So I usually have another brand, but I finished it last night. Then I have my acai packets, also from Trader Joe's. And then these are from Modern Pop. They're basically like the most basic popsicles ever. And by basic, I mean like in a healthy way. I mean, they do have a lot of sugar. Like this is 14 grams per bar, but they're not filled with a whole bunch of crap. It's just like literally ingredients you actually, like it says, ingredients you know. And then I just have my frozen coconut right here for when I make Jamaican meals. And that's it. So you guys, that was my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share it with all your friends. I'm so excited about my vegan channel. And I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. And I'll see you later. Deuces. Oh, and if you'd like to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicBeauty. Deuces.